Why do I play this game? It makes me feel so insane. I wish I knew who I could blame. Why do I roll these dice when the future takes no advice? I'm coloring in the lines. I know I shouldn't play this game. I shouldn't feel helpless this way. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Yeah, today I walked out the door and breathed the lovely fumes. I made some coffee and started singing happy blues. Yeah, yeah, I see them smoke the cigars and wear their shiny shoes. Now it's my turn to show them that I wanted to know how it feels to be in control and not chasing that worthless gold. Yeah, you know it's crazy how tightly people hold it. Yeah, I feel just like all the rest. The reason we're all depressed is that they tell us we're in some contest. Don't wanna play Monopoly, but they made it so damn hard to leave. Oh no, don't pass go. Oh no, oh no, I know. Yeah, yeah. Today I walked out the door and breathed the lovely fumes. I made some coffee and started singing happy blues. Yeah, oh yeah. I see them smoke the cigars and wear their shiny shoes. Now it's my turn to show them that I wanted to know, that I wanted to know. Where does my time even go? Where does my life go? Where does my life go? Where does my time even go? Where does my life go? If you take it away, where will I go? Today I walked out the door and breathed the lovely fumes. I made some coffee and started singing happy blues. Yeah, I see them smoke the cigars and wear their shiny shoes. Now it's my turn to show them that I wanted to do what they won't do. What I won't do, they won't need to, but they want me. I wanna ask them, oh, what have I got to lose? I wanna save the whole world and that's my excuse. They won't do what I won't do, they want me to, but they want me. Now they ask, but I said that I'm letting loose, and all I say is that I wanted to.
If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored?